Good morning, everybody. Mike Vacchi, Princetontrader.com, here with your Thursday market webcast. Okay, Christmas Eve, market is open until 1:15 p.m. Eastern Time today. Tomorrow we are closed. Globex is closed. Pits are closed. And it opens back up Sunday night, 6 p.m. for a regular session. What we're seeing here is we've seen pushes and pullbacks and new highs and some legitimate whip, and then we've kind of consolidated this week. You can really see it more on the hourly chart. So here's your 37.24 from Sunday night. That's where they opened it. They took the big move down Monday, back up into weekly pivot in the 9-day, which had been holding as resistance. They spent a lot of time over it yesterday. Failed near at the end of the close. So yesterday was really a two opportunity day. There was a long and then there was a short. So we caught most of both moves, so I'm not unhappy. But aside from that, it was pretty much a holiday tape. It was pretty sleepy. I'm not expecting much today. I'm not expecting much today at all. I'm not completely convinced that I haven't placed my last trade for the week in all reality. And the reason is this. I'll zoom this in one so we can see what the hell's going on here. It's consolidation. So these are hourly bands. They're pinched. They're compressed. They continue to compress. You got the weekly pivot, the pre-FOMC price. The 9 days come up to deal with that. Below that, you got hourly mid-band and the 20-day. But it's just flat. Now that might be just a byproduct of Globex, but for now. It's just a flattening, consolidated situation. So here's what I would suggest. And I was going to start this sentence with if your week is made. But it doesn't matter if your week's made. It doesn't matter if your day is made. It doesn't matter where your month is. Chasing performance, I said it yesterday, I'm saying it again today. Chasing performance leading into holiday weekends tends to exacerbate whatever the problem is that's going on either with your trading or your account. It is the last possible time. It is the least advantageous time to try to get a lot done. This is a point where it's very thin. There's not a lot of trading. They can push it around or they can chop it around in 3, 4, 6 handle whip swings that are just going to stop everybody out one way or the other, and then you're chasing your tail, and it's no good. It's no good, and you're better off taking a step back and coming back Monday and getting it done. As far as we go in the room, it's been a very solid week. They were nice enough to give us a really volatile day on Monday to help get things done. Tuesday, Wednesday have been good as well. But, we were able to wrap the whole thing up Monday. We'll trade a little bit today. We'll be on the microphone, obviously. But, this is one of these times where this is why you're a trader. This is why you're a trader, because you don't have to work today. And you didn't have to work yesterday. And we barely did. And, enjoy your family. Accept that the tape is on a shelf into the holiday. And it may make, one decent move today, maybe even two. But that if you choose not to trade it, it's okay. It's okay. Moves are going to happen, and the nice part about the markets is there's always another move. There's always another move. So other levels we haven't talked about: volume-weighted average price 36.87, proprietary moving average at 36.90. But if it doesn't want to convert this whole area that it is jammed in between, so from VWAP down at 87 up through, say, 93, 94, if it wants to stay inside that area, and it looks like it might, Merry Christmas. Start your holiday. Don't get frustrated hyper trading something that doesn't want to move. All right, that's all I've got. A very Merry Christmas to everybody who celebrates. Have a fantastic day. Have a fantastic rest of the week. I will be out with the next video Monday morning, the 28th. Take care. Be safe, be healthy, trade them well, be kind to each other. Merry Christmas, and I'll talk to you on Monday. Follow us over on Twitter, Instagram, and Snapchat at Princetontrader. Check us out on Facebook and join us for a free trial at www.princetontrader.com. Trade them well.